Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Rink Chick, and I'm excited to bring you a couple of Valentine's Day tablescape concepts. During this time of year, my concierge business, this is a busy time for us as a concierge because I have couples that hire me to create tablescapes for them and to make their place romantic. So I have a couple of concepts that I'm working on, so I welcome you to decorate with me. I'll decorate a little bit and I might talk a little bit, but if I have anything to say, I'll chime in, okay? So I'm going to get started. So those are my two concepts. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. But it's like red on top of red. It just pops to me. Okay, so that's it. Those are my two Valentine's dinner for two dinner tablescape concepts. Got candles, red candles. You can't go wrong. Too many candles. This is the time to go overboard with the candles. Okay, so I want to thank you guys so much for sharing this time with me. And my current subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. And I hope you have a blessed and enjoyable Valentine's Day. And I appreciate your support. Any new people, I welcome you to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new content that I upload, okay? I have a lot more fun content coming this year, okay? And you can also follow me on Instagram, rink_chic, okay? Thank you guys so much. Thanks for rolling with me, and let's keep rolling. Bye.